Okay, and up next, let's talk about React data flow. And in the process, we'll cover what is prop drilling. And the first thing we need to keep in mind that in React, we can only pass the data down. So in our case, we can only pass data from book list to a book component, not other way around. And yes, if you have a component nested inside of the book component, and if you want to pass something from the book list all the way down to that component, you'll have to go through the book component. Of course, there are alternatives. So later on, we'll cover context API, we'll talk about Redux, and of course, you can use other state libraries for that as well. But by default, we can only pass the props down. And essentially, in the process, we're doing something called prop drilling. So let's just take a look at the example, and you'll see what I'm talking about. First, let's navigate to index.js. I don't need the title, but I will keep the button because we'll implement it in this example as well. It's not going to be display title. We'll just say click me. Doesn't really matter what you write over there. And then as far as the book list, let me come up with first variable. So const some value, and I'll go with shake and bake. And up next, let's set up a function. So hopefully it's clear that when it comes to this type of variable, effectively, we would just set up the prop, correct? Now, in this case, of course, we're iterating over the list and we're passing into a book. But let's say if I have, I don't know, some component over here. So some component, in order to pass it down, what would I do? Well, I would just pass it here as a prop, right? So I would say some value is equal to some value. Name is always up to you, but I mean, in my case, I'm just going to go with the same name. So some value equals to some value. Hopefully that is clear. But what about if we have a function? So let's say, what if I have a function that has a name of display value, and in here I'm accessing that variable in the component. So I'm accessing the variable that is in the book list component. Again, we're just going to be logging. We don't know how to control the state yet. So how do we pass this function down? Well, effectively, it's the same thing. We need to come up with a prop name, and we need to pass it as a value. Same deal. We're iterating over the book, and we have actually this book component. So I'll pass it here. Just keep in mind the same works with any component that you have in the JSX. So let me remove this one because otherwise I'll get an error. Of course, there is no sum component. And let me just go here with display value equals to display value. And how do we access it? And as a side note, of course, I'll have the error over here because there's nothing in the on click. So for now, let's just deal with display value. And in order to access it, it's in the props. Again, if you want, you can log it. Sure. In my case, I already know that it's there. So I'm going to go with display value. So we grab the function. And again, we just pass it as a reference. That's it. That's all we have to do. And now if we open up the DevTools, we'll nicely see that we log shake and bake. And it's going to work the same in all of the components. And again, the main points are we can only pass props down. So from the parent to the child. And effectively, it means that if you have really nested structure, you'll have to go through all of those components, which of course can get annoying. And that's what prop drilling stands for. The annoying part of passing props literally down, I don't know, 10 components or 5 components or whatever. Now, at least in my opinion, passing the props from parent to child is not a prop drilling. Again, that comes down to preference, but in my opinion, that's totally okay if you have a parent and you pass it down to a child. However, if there is a grandchild, basically if there is a child component inside of the book, and then you have to do the same thing. Essentially, you don't use it in the book component, but you pass it down to whatever component in JSX. Yes, in that case, at least in my opinion, it becomes prop drilling. And we'll come back to this topic a little bit later when we discuss the alternatives, when we discuss context API, Redux, and all that stuff. Again, this is just to give you a general info. And one last time, let me just repeat that in React, as far as the data flow, we can only pass props down from the parent to the child.